done with the rear bumper install on the Ford Raptor, so let's take a quick look at it. Addictive design always does really well when it comes to Raptor bumpers. Love the angles. They honestly look way too cool to be true.
I mean, I see them, they're real though.
This is a Stealth Fighter rear bumper for the Gen 2 Raptor. Inserts on the top here. Cool cutouts they always do. They cut out ADD to give it a little bit nice of a design. This part here is actually removable, so if you guys don't want this, you can take it out, put your own insert in as long as it fits, and you can have it say whatever you want. It's not too over the top where it sticks out like crazy, and there's just enough details to it to make it look unique, but still very tamed and clean. And here's the side profile too, in case you guys want to see how much it sticks out. Great option for someone that wants to look different than the boring factory rear bumper, but doesn't want anything too over the top. Highly recommend you check this one out. And the best part is these bumpers have these cutouts for the parking sensors, so you can reuse them and you don't lose that function, which is awesome. As you can see, we have one dually on either side ready mounted. We just gotta do the hard wiring next. You just turn them on whenever someone's trying to tailgate you and just freak them out. Back up, back up.